All right, guys, so I'm in front of my Rapido. Got my Eurotech shirt on. In front of my Rapido B436. But this is going to be a video on doing some maintenance for the filters for your coolant. They are cartridge filters. They look like this. This has an O-ring in here. That O-ring seats up in a boss right here. This one has been destroyed a little bit, getting it on and off. And there's also an O-ring that sits up and seals up. Let me grab the other piece. Seals up on this diameter up in here in this aluminum cast piece. So you don't need to over tighten it. There is an O-ring seal on it. Make sure you clean the inside of that real well. I actually took both of these completely off and cleaned it as I got this machine used, but I would clean this out, I don't know, probably 3 to 6 months. These filters get impregnated with little, pieces, little shavings that make it through your coolant system, and they get stuck in here. So the coolant flows into here, and then it flows through here and comes out the top to feed into the machine. So you'll get a bunch of stuff in here. And I actually cleaned this with almost like a dental pick. Let me show you. It actually was like a dental pick. It's not focusing, but so I just stuck it into there. This is this is metal, right? So it's like a steel casing. So clean that out. They are reusable. You can get them from Eurotech, I'm sure. There's the, if you can see that, there's the Belia. Is there a number on there? Yeah. Let's say T. Yeah, T049. Let's focus. T049000144. So I mean, if these get really, you can see where this one has some imperfections in the metal sheath already. But they're reusable. Just clean them out, and then when you go to put it back on, this gets seated up in there first. So seat that up in there, and then you can go ahead and put your canister back on. Get your canister back on, and then I used just like a leather strap wrench to get them back on. I couldn't get them off actually with this. It was over tightened. But anyways, I would use this. Be careful if you're going to use anything metal, because like I said, you can't mar this up a lot. I mean, it's thick enough to where it's probably not going to damage it too much, but just be careful with it. But definitely clean out those filters. There are sensors on here that should tell you when you're not getting, or there's too much pressure building back because of the filter being overclogged. So clean those out.